Good of the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Saturday.
Could I make me some healthy chicken nuggets this morning?
For breakfast?
Yes.
I was gonna see if you wanted bacon and eggs.
Yeah, I guess I'll have that.
Okay. What you gonna do today?
Today? Probably just hang out and
Play with your puppy?
yeah.
Puppy? What are you doing?
Probably just.
What you doing, puppy?
Our puppy, Mama? How come Allison let us get us a puppy?
She said, get a puppy so we can both have puppies. They could play together and be friends.
Be friends. That would be fun.
Wanna love your puppy?
Yeah, it's my new one. It's our new dog. Will that make you Bessie happy?
You know it.
A brand new dog made me so excited. Mom, I was super excited to get this girl.
Super excited.
I was really excited to get her. I wanted her. I wanted a new dog. Here. Okay.
Oh, get it and keep pulling. She wants to keep playing.
Get it, get it. Zoe, wait. Zoe, wait. Wait a minute, Zoe. Good Zoe, bad Zoe.
She's just good.
Bad Zoe, good Zoe.
She's just good.
Oh, she's trying to take it away.
That's how she plays tugga-tugga.
Oh, she took it away.
Well, you're supposed to hold on tight.
Look what I found. I did a good job.
She was going through her toys last night and in her basket, picking out different toys, and she found my measuring tape that was lost.
Oh my gosh, did she eat it?
No, she just got it out and said, look, Mom, what I found.
What, Mom? Oh, I see. I see, I got you. They're her toys? We need to see if we can find her another one from Disney this year.
Okay, let's do.
She barely has enough.
She has plenty, actually.
Yeah, but we just gotta be careful. We gotta let her get new ones every once in a while.
She's got so many we can share them with Daryl.
Oh, no. Daryl can't play with those.
Because you know what? I think somebody sent two of everything to share with Abby, but Abby doesn't play with toys. So, you know how she got two of these bones right here, this kind? Abby doesn't play with stuff like that. And she got two of this kind of toy, and Abby doesn't play with those either. Abby's never played with toys, has she?
Nope. Mom. Which one is she playing with?
She's playing with her new chicken.
She has lots of toys.
Tons. More than any puppy needs.
She's got 6 of them at Nani's.
She's got too many, actually. She doesn't need any more toys.
Mom, don't say that. Why?
It's true. She's got enough. She's got so many we could give some of them to a shelter. You like the piano playing? You like the piano? Zoe, you watching it rain? You watching it rain? Raining.